got the shrinking cap, Grandpa.
Catch me if you can.
Grandpa! No, be careful! Grandpa, stop! Grandpa in my pocket! Grandpa's wearing his shrinking cap. He can do all sorts of amazing things. He can drive my toy car, zoom off in my plane. Oh yes, when Grandpa's wearing his shrinking cap, anything he gets into or onto will go. He can even fly around on Gordon, my toy seagull. Come back!
Stop this wretched car, Jason!
Oh, I'm very sorry. Oh. Great Aunt Loretta thinks my car runs on batteries and that I'm the one who sets it off, when actually it's Grandpa's magic that makes it go. The car was empty. I had no idea where Grandpa was, but I had a feeling that Grandpa wasn't going to bother with stairs. And today he'd got into our Sunny Sands train and was chuffing about. Grandpa, come back!
Oh, Jason, you never go out of playing with that, do you?
This time Grandpa had gone too far. In fact, he was off to the toy shop in our Sunny Sands train. I knew I was going to find some way of getting there too, to help Grandpa. But when he wants to go to the lighthouse, Grandpa has to fly. And that means using his magic to ride on Gordon, my toy seagull. Meanwhile, we all went to the lighthouse in Campo, and Dad said...
So we're looking for a bird with a big beak that's mostly blue, with red tail feathers and yellow wings.
And Jemima said...
And it sounds like this. Oh, it's a long way up. Oh, this is the perfect viewing spot. Everyone by the window.
Well, everyone looked out of one window. Grandpa flew in through the other one. He circled round and landed on the floor.
Catch me if you can!
When Grandpa shrinks, he can run really fast. Like this, and this, and this. He can get into things. He can get under things. But most amazing of all is that his magic can make things go. Like my helicopter. And our cousin Jason's plane. Sometimes he chuffs about in the Sunny Sands train. And he can even make my Mrs. Ostrich fly. Oh yes, Grandpa can get anywhere he likes. But today he was coming with us, in Josh's pocket.
You two go outside and distract the visitor when they arrive. I am going in here. Captain Dumbletwit, to the rescue!
Captain Dumbletwit got into a spaceship and the lights flashed and it took off. It flew around the room and straight up the chimney. We had a job to do. Grandpa flew out of the chimney and we ran into the meadow. But today, he decided to take my helicopter. So he took off from the helipad and flew out of the door. Fly safely, Grandpa. See you there. Just then, Uncle CJ came downstairs.
Grandpa gone for a little lie down already, has he? good. It was a silly idea his coming with us. Come on.
So off we went in campo, and Uncle CJ said,
I don't understand why anyone would be difficult in Mr. Woods' toy shop.
and I said, nor do I. It's the best toy shop in the world. Here he is. He was on Mrs. Ostrich. He took off and flew out of the window. And he landed in the meadow. Got off and down the rabbit hole he went.